Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the P2246 trouble code. If you've scanned your vehicle and found this code, it means there's an issue with the reference voltage circuit for your upstream oxygen sensor, also known as Bank 1 Sensor 1. Stick around, and I'll show you step by step how to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. Code P2246 is defined as AO to sensor reference voltage circuit high. The purpose of the oxygen sensor is to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases after they leave the combustion process of the engine. This information is critical to the PCM's ability to maintain efficient fuel economy. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD to scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary, safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD to scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2246 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2246 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.